Hey guys, in this video we're going to be checking out the best robot vacuum cleaners in this year.
I made this list based on my personal opinion and hours of research, and I've listed them based on quality, durability, price, and more. I've included options at several price points, so no matter your budget, we'll have the product for you. If you want more information and updated pricing on the products mentioned, be sure to check the links in the description down below.
At number 1, EUFI by Anker. Boost IQ RoboVac 11S Slim Robot Vacuum Cleaner. Trustworthy brand EUFI makes this super vacuum cleaner. It works well with carpet, glass, and floor. It's a remote control device. Here, lithium-ion is its battery cell composition. According to Tom's Guide, it's considered 2019's best robot vacuum cleaner. Though it's the smallest in looks, its suction power is very high. It has come with Boost IQ technology. It means it can increase its suction power if it feels necessary. Its operation is very quiet. It also comes with outstanding premium features. At number 2, iRobot Roomba 694 Robot Vacuum Cleaner. It would be a perfect choice for carpets, pet hair, hard floor, etc. iRobot makes it. Users like it because of its suction power, deep cleaning ability, cleaning up hair, hardwood floor cleaning ability, etc. It's compatible with smartphones, tablets, smartwatches, Amazon Echo, Google Home, etc. It's 6.8 pounds. Its battery life is 1.5 hours. Voice control and app control facilities are there. It can recharge automatically. More interestingly, it can not only eliminate but also sense dirt around you.
What can you say about our first two products? If you have comments or questions, then just leave them in the comment section and we will attend to them immediately. There are more products on our list, so you will still have more choices to come. If you are not yet a subscriber of our channel, then please subscribe to our channel. Don't forget to press on the bell icon to get an instant notification of when I upload a new video. Now, let's continue.